If manual mode makes you hesitate, second guess yourself, or feel like you are doing something wrong, this video is for you. Because manual mode is not hard. It is just explained badly. Most people are taught to memorize settings before they understand what they are actually trying to control. Today, I want to show you a simpler way to think about it. One that removes the guessing and let you trust your decision. Why manual mode feels difficult? When people teach manual mode, they usually start with the exposure triangle. Shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, all at once. Your brain doesn't know where to start, so it freezes. And when you freeze, you stop trusting yourself. So, naturally, the problem is not manual mode. The problem is the order things are explained. Instead of thinking triangle, I want you to think sequences. There are only 3 questions you need to answer, and always in the same order. First, how much light is in the scene? Second, how do I want motion to feel? Third, how much depth do I want? That's it, my friend. That is all. No magic. Light, motion, and depth. Not setting. Decision. Before touching your camera, look at the scene. Ask yourself, is this bright? Is this dim or dark? Is the light changing? This step has nothing to do with number. It is about awareness. Once you understand the light, you stop guessing. Because you are responding, not reacting. Shutter speed is not technical setting. It is a creative choice. Do you want motion to feel calm, frozen, natural, energetic? You decide that first, my friend. Then set shutter to match the feeling, not to fix exposure. Aperture is about attention. What do you want the viewer to look at? Do you want separations, context, isolations? Depth is emotion, not mathematical. So, when depth is decided last, everything suddenly connects. Here is the loop I use every single time. Light, motion, depth, adjust, shoot. No triangle, my friend. No panic. No guessing. If something feels wrong, you know exactly which decision to revisit. That is confidence. In the next episode, we will talk about ISO and why it is not what most people think it is. If this way of thinking helped you, you may want to watch the 2 camera bags where I save money and why. It built directly on what we have discussed so far. And if you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. So my friend, God bless and protect you. Hakuna Matata. God willing, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao for now.